Can you see? The screen says gratitude, forgiveness, and relaxation.
इसमें देख लो नहीं तो
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so let us start. I would like this session to be interactive once again. So this is where we start from. While meditation, remember last time we talked about yamas and niyamas. So they are very, very powerful. They are very, very important. But at the end, we also said that we are using meditation as a tool to bring in health and harmony back to our physical system, as well as our mental, psychological system. So we are going to use this meditation once again to bring in the harmony and then slowly move inwards. Okay. So as I have written it clearly, because your health and happiness is your duty. So now you are in charge. Okay, this is a little bit about me. Okay, so I would like to start this session by expressing my gratitude towards my mentors and teachers, my friends and family members. So yes, everyone, I'll start with the question itself. What do you think gratitude is? You can type in the chat boxes and I would like to read. What do you think is gratitude? And as you type, I would let's do a little revision. Last time we talked about how the good stress and bad stress affect us. Remember, good stress was the one जिसके हम source को overcome कर पाते हैं easily, and it brings a lot of good self-esteem in us. लेकिन बैड स्ट्रेस वो है जब हम सोर्स को, जो स्ट्रेस का सोर्स है, उसको ओवरकम नहीं कर पाते. ये कई बार इंटरनल हो सकता है, कई बार ये एक्सटर्नल हो सकता है. एक्सटर्नल जैसे कि काम पे काम आए जा रहा है ना, and you do not get any time to breathe, you do not get any time to relax. So in this case, the source is outside. But sometimes when we keep on reliving the bad experiences, insult or any kind of other kind of injury, then this builds the inner stress. This is the form of bad stress. The source is inside, the source is you itself, or whatever misunderstanding you have. Okay, and then we have also understood how this bad stress manifests into diseases. Okay, so till here we had. Yes, now I would like to read the chats. Yes. Okay, being thankful for all the things we get in lifetime. Manishi Mishra ji says, feeling for all those who helped me or helping me grow as a humane human. Wow, very good, very beautifully said. Great. So in simple terms, I have written here, recognition and acknowledgement of all the positive things in your life and how they have helped you evolve so far. So because I have a very little time, we cannot go in much detail, but I'm sure you all know what gratitude is. Attitude of thankfulness towards all the help you have received so far in your evolution. Okay, so the next slide says benefits of practicing gratitude. This I have taken from internet. There are 6 points I have written. So basically people have done some research and then they have told that it makes us healthier, it reduces materialism in us, it makes us happier, it improves our relationships, it increases the optimism, and it increases psychological well-being. To me, it is the way of life. This is how because there is no living without gratitude. If you do not have gratitude, I do not think we can actually live. We can just pass our time. Okay. Yes. So, my guru Shri A. Nagaraj ji, he said that कृतज्ञता ही संयमता का आद्यांत आधार है. आद्यांत means beginning and the end. Adi plus ant, that is equal to आद्यांत, which I have translated. Gratitude is the eternal basis of moderation. ये जो हम जिंदगी में कभी एक छोर पे कभी दूसरी छोर पे जाते रहते हैं ना, जो हम मध्य मार्ग को भूल जाते हैं, है ना. So that gratitude actually brings us on the mainstream, on the middle path, as Buddha also said, the middle path, the madhya marg. And What is gratitude? On the green side I have written observe, witness and acknowledge the help you got in your overall evolution. So acknowledgement is the part that we understand, but observation and witnessing, these are also two parts of understanding the gratitude or practicing the gratitude. If we do not observe, if we do not witness, we often forget to acknowledge that part. So these two things, observing and witnessing, these are part of gratitude practicing. Okay, so to the next slide. Now I want to talk about what forgiveness is. So I have prepared the first slide as what forgiveness is not. I would like you to write here what forgiveness is. What do you think? What is forgiving? Because I personally felt forgiving very, very tough. Yes, I would like to see in the chat box. Try to express yourself. This will help you also in the meditation. I can see so many people typing. Yes. What is forgiveness? लास्ट टाइम मुझे किसी ने ये भी पूछा था ग्रुप में कि मैडम आपने ये नहीं बताया कि ध्यान क्या है, व्हाट इज मेडिटेशन. सो यस, ओके, राम कुमार जी सेज लेटिंग गो ऑफ अनवांटेड बैड फीलिंग्स अबाउट अदर्स, लेट गो. सरिता रेड्डी इज सेइंग let go. Yes, Manishi Mishra ji is saying seeing goodness in others and helping them realize their potential. That is Shama. Yes, very beautifully said. I have such a wonderful audience. I'm so thankful. This I'm interacting this with this audience. Okay, great. Sarita ji also says it's happiness for us when we let go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let us see what I have written here is, first before I say anything about what forgiveness is, I would like you to understand that what forgiveness is not. I have written here forgiveness is not pardoning, है ना. किसी ने कुछ गलत किया उसको भूल जाना, that is not forgiveness. Condoning or blaming, है ना, उसको blame करते रहना, that is also not forgiveness. And also excusing an offense or forgetting about it, है ना. तो कुल मिलाकर ऐसा नहीं है forgiveness का मतलब कि हम उसको जाने दे रहे हैं या उसको भूल जा रहे हैं या उसके खिलाफ हम कोई एक्शन नहीं लेंगे या हम उसके खिलाफ कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं चूज कर सकते हैं. सो forgiveness is not all this. ऑल्सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट सेम एज रिकन्सिलिएशन, है ना. हम कई बार सोचते हैं कि किसी को फॉरगिव कर दिया तो फिर से वैसे ही हम जैसे पहले हमारा संबंध था वैसे ही हो जाएगा. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट, है ना. सो रिकन्सिलिएशन ऑल्दो इट माइट हैपन थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉरगिवनेस, बट रिकन्सिलिएशन डज नॉट मीन फॉरगिवनेस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट फॉरगिवनेस इज. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट इज़ लेटिंग गो ऑफ योर विक्टिमहुड and consciously release yourself from the control of the offender. Now what does this mean? जब हम किसी को forgive नहीं कर पाते, हमारे पास दो emotion होते हैं mostly, या तो anger होता है या तो fear होता है. And what is anger? Remember that fight or flight mode. तो जब fight वाला mode on होता है to the in the response हमारे body में, then fight mode के लिए we have this anger, हमारा emotion जो है वो anger है. एंड देन फ्लाइट मोड ऑन होता है, दैट इज़ बेसिकली फियर. सो ये जो एंगर और फियर है ना, ये हमारी बॉडी को पूरी तरीके से मेस कर देते हैं, बॉडी एंड माइंड बोथ, पूरा मूड खराब कर देते हैं, जिसको हम कहते हैं वी हैव अ मूड और आई एम इन अ बैड मूड. सो वेन एवर दिस एंगर और फियर, इमोशन में देखेंगे तो एंगर और फियर है ना. अगर वैसे हार्मोनल रिस्पॉन्स में देखते हैं तो फाइट और फ्लाइट मोड उसको बोलते हैं. हॉर्मोन्स के भी और नाम है हमारे पास. ओके, सो लेटिंग गो ऑफ योर विक्टिमहुड एंड कॉन्शियसली रिलीज योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल ऑफ द ऑफेंडर. बेसिकली जब हम उस मेमोरी को याद करते हैं ना, तो वापस से द सेम रिस्पॉन्स इज ट्रिगर्ड इन द बॉडी. केमिकली द रिस्पॉन्स इज ट्रिगर्ड. सो नाउ बिकॉज अनकॉन्शियसली ये हो रहा है, सो कॉन्शियसली वील हैव टू रिलीज अवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल, है ना, कि वापस वो बात आएगी बट रिस्पॉन्स ऑन नहीं होगा. सो देन यू विल नो दैट यू हैव एक्चुअली फॉरगिवन समवन. Now, once again, I have taken this from internet, benefits of forgiveness. So again, the research was done, and this was seen that if people practice forgiveness for a longer period of time, they have found out that they had healthier relationships, improved self-esteem, lesser symptoms of depression, less anxiety, stress and hostility. Of course, because of that, healthier body, improved mental health and stronger immune system. Immune system के बारे में मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ. Whenever I'll get a time, I'll try to organize a webinar on that also. So, according to my understanding, I've written on the green side, let go the person, keep the lesson, because everybody is contributing in our growth. If along with the what happens, basically we hold the person and we do not even observe or witness the lesson, है ना. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, इफ यू स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग एंड विटनेसिंग द लेसन ना, तो फिर फॉरगिवनेस करने के लिए कोई बचेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज इमीडिएटली विल बी शिफ्टेड टू द इमोशन ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. ठीक है. सो देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल कोट, आई डू नॉट नो हु हैज सेड दिस, बट आई हैव रिटन इट हियर. द स्टूपिड नाइदर फॉरगिव नॉर फॉरगेट, द नाइव फॉरगिव एंड फॉरगेट, द वाइज फॉरगिव बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट. ओके. Okay, so with that, the time is 10:44 and it is time to meditate. Yes. So this is the time to meditate, and before starting the meditation, I would like to once again express my gratitude towards all the people who have joined. And since it is time to meditate, relax yourself completely. Give me a moment, please. Sit in any meditative posture. You can sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, or Sukhasana, or Shavasana. Listen to this wonderful music. And enjoy the beautiful rhythm of your breath. Close your eyes. लये संबोधयेत् चित्तं, विक्षिप्तं समयेत् पुनः, सकषायं विजानीयात्, समप्राप्तं न चालयेत्. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, chant Om 3 times. In this meditation of gratitude, we will visualize each and every person who has contributed in our growth so far. Breathe in deeply and go to the first memory of your life. Try to remember the earliest childhood memory you have. Visualize yourself go in that moment, relive that moment, and whatever age you are, try to recall that who are you thankful for this beautiful, pleasant state of mind in this moment. You may think of your parents, family members, or anybody else who you think has contributed to that pleasantness you are experiencing in that moment. You are already feeling happy. Now, recall your 5th grade classroom. Recall your 5th grade classroom. Be there. Visualize the classroom. Visualize all the friends, all the teachers from your memory. Now, if you have the memory of even lower grades, like from class 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, UKG and LKG, try to recall the faces of all those teachers who initiated you in education, learning, and beautifying the process of life. Beautiful. Recall the best friends you have made in all those years before the age of 9 or 10. Now move to class 6th. Once again, recall the classroom, all the teachers, all the friends. Class 7th, eighth, 9th. You can also recall any beautiful memory of that year or any wonderful person that you had met who brought changes which really helped you evolve in your life. Move to class 10th. Now, by the age of 13, 14 or 15, understand and visualize how many people had contributed already for you to become this wonderful person that you are. Now moving to class 11th, 12th, all your teachers, all the friends, the family members. Now move to your college, move to your job. If you are married, your in-laws, if they have contributed. your wife or husband. Keep on doing this journey of gratitude further. Your kids, your spiritual guru, your mentor, your life coach. Just visualize all those people who have contributed in your life so far. Beautiful. Now imagine as if they are all standing right before you, so many of them, a big group of all the people you're feeling the gratitude for. Now raise your hands in blessing position as if you are blessing them. Imagine them in the size of say 1 foot or half a foot, and the whole group all under your hands. Your heart is swelling with the gratitude, with the positive emotion, and this gratitude is flowing in the form of pinkish golden light through your arms, through your hands, and through your palms. And it is going towards all those people who have been visualized by you in last few minutes. Now visualize them happy. Mentally express your gratitude towards all of them. Slowly put your hands down. Also visualize that they are all blessing you, your parents, your teachers, your mentors, your gurus, your colleagues, anybody who you are grateful for. They are equally happy that they could contribute in your life. Gratitude is the highest vibration you can resonate at. As you understand the beauty of gratitude, you are willing and ready to let go of all the people who have hurt you, knowingly or unknowingly. Once again, raise your hands in blessing position and repeat after me mentally, or you can also do it verbally if you need to. I forgive you for not being the way I wanted you to be. I forgive you for not being the way I wanted you to be. Also, I thank you for bringing in the beautiful lesson. Keep the lesson, let go the person. I let the hurtful feelings go and bless you with all the good things in life. Let go of that person. You can also feel the gratitude if that hurt has brought you anything good in life. Breathe in deeply. Now you may rest your hands and visualize yourself also being forgiven by those whom you have hurt. You can also bring your hands in Namaskar Mudra to your heart. Receive the forgiveness from the others, the people who you have hurt knowingly or unknowingly. Experience this feeling of being forgiven and gratitude. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the sense of relief. Now, you may gently lie down in Shavasana. We will relax each and every part of our body consciously. Slowly lie down. Do not let go of this meditative state. Beautiful. Observe your breath, how it is moving your abdomen up and down. Observe it, and in this moment, observe that how much trust we have already built in us. We let go of each breath because we know that next breath is going to come in. Visualize the beauty of letting go. If you hold on to even this breath, it is going to suffocate you. Experience the wisdom of letting go. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Now, move your attention to the left foot. We will scan the whole body. If there is any contraction, any muscle that is tight, we will release it consciously. We'll expand it consciously. Move your attention from the first toe of your left foot, the second, third, fourth, and fifth. The sole of your feet, the upper side, the ankle joint. Relax. Relax completely. Let go. Move your attention towards the left leg, the calf muscles, loosen them, let go. The kneecaps, the knee joint, loosen up, let go. All the thigh muscles of the left leg and the hip joint. Now, move your attention towards the right foot, the first toe, second toe, third, fourth, and fifth toe. Loosen up the sole, the heel, the upper part, the ankle joint. Loosen, let go. The right leg, kneecap, knee joint. Let go, loosen up. The thigh muscles, let go, loosen up. And the hip joint. Now move your attention through your buttocks, through your genital area. Loosen up, let go of any anger, any fear. In this moment, loosen up completely. Breathe in deeply. Now move your attention towards the back, the waist, the spine. The upper side. Focus on the navel region, the inner vital organs. Consciously command all of them to relax in this moment. Let go. The abdominal area, the chest, the lungs. Now slowly move your attention towards both of your shoulders. Now move towards the left side. Sweep through left armpit, left arm, left elbow, left hand, palm, and all the 5 fingers. Now bring your attention towards the right side and sweep through right armpit. Relax, loosen up. Right arm, right elbow, right hand, right palm, and all the 5 fingers. Relax, loosen up, let go. Slowly, as you breathe in, move your attention on the throat, on your neck. Loosen up, let go. Move your attention through the face now. First to the chin, the upper lip, the lower lip, all the teeth. Move your attention through all the teeth consciously, one by one. Through your tongue, observe the space inside your mouth, your gums, the upper lip area, the nose, the nostrils, the septum, the cheekbones, your left eye, eyelid, eyelashes, eyeball, the upper region, the lower region, the right eye, the eyelid, eyeball, eyelashes, the upper region, lower region, both your eyebrows. Focus between the eyebrows and mentally decide to practice gratitude and forgiveness whenever you get time or whenever you are reminded. Now move your attention through the forehead, left ear, right ear, both the temples, through your scalp, all the hair. And now with that, your body is completely relaxed. Quickly scan the whole body once again from toe to head. Beautiful. Keep observing this beautiful music for few seconds. You are completely relaxed and revitalized. Recharged and ready to come back to the current time, space, and surrounding. Slowly move your hands and legs gently a little bit. You may open your eyes whenever you are ready and sit back in Sukhasana. Do not lose this meditative state. Be very aware as you sit back. Stay in this state for as long as you can. Beautiful. Great. Thank you everyone for joining in. We shall meet soon sometime again. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. Enjoy your Sunday everyone, and if you want to share something, I'll open the group. You can share your experiences, and hopefully see you on next Sunday or maybe whenever I have the time. Okay, Namaskar, bye bye. If anybody wants to share something, I'm okay. Yes.
Thank you so much, Shalini. Thank you so much.
You're
Today is
welcome.
full of gratitude. It is not just gratitude, but what I was thinking is the way you conduct this, starting from explaining exactly for what we are doing this practice. तो वो जो आप शुरू में डिस्क्राइब करती हो, चाहे पिछला सेशन हो चाहे आज का सेशन है,
जी
इसकी स्पष्टता आपके अंदर होती है, उसके साथ जब ध्यान देते हैं तो वाकई उसको कुछ देख पाने में मदद मिलती है। तो अपने अंदर के केओस के साथ जब भी मेडिटेशन में मैंने पहले कभी जब भी
जी
तो यही लगता था कि मेडिटेशन इज इम्पॉसिबल, इतना सारा भरा हुआ है, इतना डंप है,
या
उसका निकलना जरूरी है।
जी
किस चीज पर ध्यान देना है, ध्यान देने की वस्तु क्या है, तो आप जब इससे शुरू करते हैं
जी
आप में बहुत रिलैक्सिंग वहीं से शुरू हो जाता है मेडिटेशन, खाली आंख बंद करने से।
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत बढ़िया आपने ध्यान दिलाया। मैं एक्चुअली ये शेयर करूँगी आगे चल के कि देखिए जो कंसंट्रेशन के बाद मेडिटेशन का मैंने पॉइंट रखा है ना, रूप और गुण का अध्ययन जो है वो कंसंट्रेशन है, और स्वभाव धर्म का अध्ययन जो है वो ध्यान है या मेडिटेशन है ना। ये ध्यान करना बराबर ध्यान देना है ना। हम ध्यान दे पाते हैं तो ध्यान कर पाते हैं, ध्यान कर पाते हैं तो ध्यान दे पाते हैं, है ना। दोनों तरीके से ये पॉसिबल है। बहुत बढ़िया, आपने बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट रखा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर फीडबैक। एनीबडी एल्स?
मैम आत्मा नमस्ते।
आत्मा नमस्ते जी, श्रीलता जी।
आत्मा नमस्ते टू वन एंड ऑल, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। मैम I really felt very well, like getting us from the toes to upper.
Okay.
I could see myself as months baby, not even months baby. My like legs were very small as if a newborn baby.
Wow.
And going back to childhood is again reliving. I was really happy doing that. I mean, that at that age we didn't know to show that gratitude, but now at least we are showing that gratitude towards them whom we forgot. Actually, it's not forgetting, but subconsciously they're there, presently they're, we are not meeting them or talking about them much. But
Yes.
Fifth standard is my favorite standard because that was a town hall. Everything was like interlinking, and I really enjoyed. But I felt the inner child in me was enjoying it than myself, because I could visualize. I didn't visualize, but I saw myself as a small baby, newborn baby today. Thank you for that. It was a wonderful experience.
Thank you to you too for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, great. Yes, Ananya ji. Oh, you are welcome.
मैं अभी कुछ दिनों से अभी थोड़ा चल रहा था अंदर, कुछ गलतियां दिख रही थी अपनी, मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा था। कुछ बंदिशें थी, उसको भी लेकर बहुत बुरा लग रहा था मुझे। बट आज का क्लास की तो बचपन से लेके अब तक की जो भी सीख सकी थी उसके लिए थैंक यू। मतलब जब गुस्सा आता है तो सिर्फ गुस्सा ही आता है। उस टाइम जो अच्छी चीजें होती है भूल जाते हैं।
भूल जाते हैं जी।
तो ये काफी कुछ दिनों से मन में स्ट्रगल चल रहा था। और आपके क्लास में मुझे बड़ा रिलैक्स फील हुआ।
ओह, थैंक यू सो मच।
तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं ट्राई करूंगी मैं ऐसे ही रहूं। एंड थैंक यू।
यू आर वेलकम। थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग। आज ये वेबिनार मेरे लिए सफल हो गया। थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग दिस ऑल्सो। थैंक यू अनन्या जी।
दीदी
ओके, यस, ओके, यस। एनीबडी एल्स? Okay, I guess you can also write me anything that you want to share with me, and then let us meet soon once again. Thank you very much. Have a happy Sunday. Yes, Ram Kumar ji, do you want to say something?
Yeah, I think I'm still in the state of that meditation. Yeah, seriously.
Be there. That's the most wonderful thing, you know. Yes, yes, please.
Generally, I mean, gratitude we do, but gratitude is so powerful. I came to know only after when you ask to imagine from childhood, especially parents, friends.